Enti yese aboa no oka ni breso pinto abo ade de awuo na wote se womo ani abra womo echechire womo nsem ni mfre no so na yenko ensemfufuru mu a Strategic Mobilization Limited ye SML dwumaku a aban nam Ghana Revenue Authority so ebo won pa so wonfo ni eye etro ni sika bi akire ene meka se aban etwa ne contract mu no wo mra nim ni ene sentwefo hia be chechire nsemu se ensemu a eba abonten ahyase no eye Office of the Special Prosecutor ne nsemu a oba abonten be kan mu dodo na no enye ensemu a nokure ewo mu na yenko ne yenkutie adwumeda eseni rana nkasa no
di ntia ye hia ye nyina ne se ye pese omanfo ni nyina so hu se ensem na OSP ekan ye no nokure bia anim sa enu nti ne ye baaye no ye tumre ade ayede ne ya kire sie enu nti ye the documents a ekire se omo ana ye adwuma ma wo mo no because the contract na ye between SML and GRA and the GRA and SML adwuma ayede ema wo mo omo ankasa atro aba be ema omanfo nyina nso ahu se the OSP kan say SML anya adwuma no enye nokre indeed and in fact SML adwuma enti eno na yedi kan apoto SML se do di kan che no yede ye niema no yede ye petition enso akwakodan omampanyin ono na oye obatan se ono so se OSP sei ni enso sei a ono kwa na betimi ayede ahwem no watimi ahu na de se editor no na de ayede na de ato na oman ni nyina ayede ekan enkoso na ye nyina nso ye de ye hwehwe enti we remain
ewo SML nsensem ye mu no wasan ede ato edwa akirem se aban asi obetwa contract ne mu a ye wo eka eni mfidie ne nnuama hodo no matintim ani nyina na ye contract ne din mu nti nei wo se wagyejo mu ekudwo osubra ne dia na eho ka ne amane ewo akire no aban behwe na watua ede amomo.
Is a wholly Ghanaian company dedicated to supporting the state in improving transparency, accuracy and accountability in public revenue administration. SML has from its inception operated under full regulatory visibility, technical validation and ministerial oversight. A second look at the termination directive. Well, as for our clients, the SML, well, if government chooses to terminate, all we'll just do is, our investment overlay is what government will have to pay us. Okay? If somebody wants their job, the person can, go ahead and take the job, but then they shouldn't seek to tarnish the image of SML in the quest of taking that job. That is what we are definitely not going to allow. It is untrue that Kenoforiata has interest in SML. It's untrue. SML is an independent, it is wholly for Evans Edusei. It's wholly for him. And for a serious investigative organization like the OSP, you do not work with insinuations. You don't say it will appear as if it looks like. You don't work with that. Well, circumstantial evidence, but you see, you have to be, when you're piecing them together, you have to be careful. And then you don't come and run down the person like that.